I think it's safe to say just about everyone alive have experienced feelings of stress and anxiety. I think it's even more complex when with us when we have to deal with MS. But it's more than just merely an imbalance for us. It felt like my future was on the line. Anxiety, it's a complex, multi-layered, and entirely personal path. I want to tell you about a supplement I take every morning. It's useful when it comes to combating anxiety, boosting mental well-being, and supercharging overall brain health. It's one of the most potent brain supplements out there. It exerts one of the strongest natural anxiety alleviating effects. Hey, it's Steve. It's called magnesium threonate. But it's not just your typical magnesium supplement. Magnesium is crucial for health. And for MS, it regulates inflammation in the brain. It's so powerful at doing what it does, it's been dubbed the master mineral. But not all magnesium supplements are created equal. I'm going to outline 4 essential functions that magnesium threonate in specific can achieve. But in a minute. Magnesium threonate is a form of magnesium bound to threonate, which is a metabolite of vitamin C. It was recently discovered and developed by a team of scientists at MIT. While assessing the potency of magnesium chelated with different compounds, they discovered that magnesium threonate had some uniquely powerful properties. In particular, they found that this has the ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. And for those of us with MS, we know the blood-brain barrier is crucial. The conglomeration of tissues and blood vessels that permeate the central nervous system and brain have a unique ability to tightly regulate the movement of molecules between your bloodstream and your nervous system. These cells are packed tightly together, allowing them to be extremely selective in what does and doesn't make it through. While these restrictive properties are crucial for protecting your brain from toxins and outside invaders, it poses a challenge when it comes to delivering certain nutrients to the brain. Magnesium is able to cross the blood-brain barrier through specific transportation channels. The problem is, with most forms of magnesium, they aren't able to cross the blood-brain barrier, and when they do, they cross it very slowly and at very low levels. But magnesium threonate can readily pass its way past the blood-brain barrier and significantly boost your brain's magnesium levels. I think personally it's a game-changing ability to supercharge my brain's magnesium levels and to alleviate anxiety and boost my mood. But when you look at it, it doesn't even scratch the surface what it can do for multiple sclerosis. I see 4 big benefits for MS. 1. Magnesium is critical when it comes to brain cells' ability to heal and function properly, meaning magnesium reserves are quickly depleted because of MS. What MS does to our brains, which is being under constant stress. 2. The brain cells rely on tiny electrical impulses called action potentials to communicate with other brain cells and the rest of the body. I've talked so much about action potentials. It's tapped when you weightlift. Magnesium is crucial for helping stabilize and regulate these electrical impulses. 3. Magnesium levels directly impact your brain's synthesis and secretion of important neurotransmitters and hormones that serve as chemical messengers to regulate your brain function, sleep, and overall mood. And last and most importantly, 4. Neuroinflammation. Magnesium helps regulate inflammation in your brain, helping calm your immune response and protect your brain cells from the influx of harmful free radicals and pro-inflammatory signaling molecules, which I think are just heightened when you have MS. Because magnesium has such remarkable neuroprotective effects, insufficient levels of magnesium in the brain are linked to anxiety and depression, as well as neurodegeneration. I'm just speculating, but maybe this is why almost 80% of people are deficient, and most people with MS are deficient as well. Growing up, I had a very close friend when I was in my teenage years that suffered from extreme anxiety. She had persistent feelings of anxiety and was always desperately looking for solutions. I wish she could see this video. Maybe she could find her calm. Maybe she could find magnesium threonate, and maybe we could calm her fears. Magnesium can work wonders for symptoms of anxiety, stress, and other mood disorders like depression. So, let's get specific about anxiety. I've talked before about the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, or HIPAA axis before. It's a complex feedback loop that helps you respond to and recover from stress. Magnesium helps modulate HIPAA axis activity. With adequate magnesium downregulating your HIPAA axis to help you more quickly return to that calm, peaceful, balanced state after a spike in stress. One way it does it is by influencing the secretion of stress-related hormones. Another way is through GABA, or gamma aminobutyric acid. Is an important neurotransmitter that works to slow and relax the brain. Without GABA, feelings of anxiety, fear, and stress spike. Last but not least, magnesium increases brain plasticity, helping your brain constantly rewire itself to be less stressed and anxious. It's essential for MS because magnesium has the ability to adapt and reorganize itself through the creation of new connections. So when MS destroys one pathway in the brain, magnesium can build a new one, a stronger one. I take 3 capsules a day, or it comes out to 144 milligrams of magnesium threonate when I wake up every morning. And I never suffer from anxiety. I want to hear from you guys. Are you suffering from anxiety? Or MS, or both? Have I convinced you to try it out and start taking it? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.